Hey guys, what's going on? Mike here from Altcoin Freedom. In this video, we're going to talk about whether or not you should invest in TRON TRX or Ethereum. But before we get into the video, guys, if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos from us as we put them out daily, and also so you can get a chance to enter our Power Crypto membership, okay? And we're going to give away a free membership to our Power Crypto Club to one of the members in our community who's sharing positive thoughts, positive vibes, and positive information in the comments on these videos. We're always looking. So guys, look at the market here today. 383 billion. We're up a little bit, right? We see some things in the green. That's a good sign. But still, you know, down a little bit from where when we had a little surge a couple of weeks ago. But that's okay. We think things are moving in the right direction. What I want to talk to you guys about is the price of Tron today. Look at this. About 7.5 cents, a little over 7.5 cents, but we can see we've had a little spike, a little spike, nothing great, but at least it's moving up, okay guys? And we know coming up to mainnet launch, we could see a little surge. So some good news, right? And Tron's been holding steady. You know, some of the other coins and projects have been dipping pretty strong. Tron's been holding its own, right? Not falling too bad, and now we're up a little bit, so that's a good thing. But I want to share this information. Look at this, guys. Should you invest in TRON TRX or Ethereum? So now that we're switching to their own platform in Tron, and they're going to be doing a lot to get developers on there to make dApps on their platform, are they going to have some substantial growth like we saw Ethereum have at the end of 2017? Okay, so look at this. The choice between this or that cryptocurrency as an investment asset more often than not depends on what we believe a project represents. For an investor, it boils down to whether the native currency of the platform will appreciate in value as the project grows or is adopted. If you were looking to make an investment and have an idea of what you want, then taking the next step would only need one more consideration. Which asset gives you a better shot at making it investment-wise? Okay, so we know, guys, Ethereum is the second most recognizable cryptocurrency thanks to its recent successes, and it ranks behind Bitcoin in market capitalization. TRON TRX is an emerging platform, soon to launch its mainnet and touted as a potential top contender in the market. Which one makes for a better investment? So why TRON TRX? Tron is quickly becoming a cryptocurrency to watch. After all the ups and downs the coin has been through, one thing remains intact: the resolve by its founder and CEO Justin Sun to transform and decentralize the web. Its value has suffered massive tanking before, though that could be attributed to the influx of new investors whose experimental approach made for weak hands that came in the back of a quick gains made elsewhere. So yeah, the market went up and the market came back fast, right guys? A lot of weak hands were in there, but it gave us a little tease of what can happen to some of the prices of the coins when that money does come from the outside, right? The institutional money comes in. And we know next time when we start getting these surges of institutional money coming in, it's going to be a little more regulated, so we're not going to have so many weak hands, right? Things will be a little more stable, and we'll have people probably getting in these projects for the longer term, not just looking to flip and make some quick bucks because everybody got on the craze of quick money in crypto, right? Hopefully we get some investors in who are really, you know, investing in solid projects and leaving their investments in there for the long run. So that'll be a little better. Two aspects could make Tron a better investment: the potential of its mainnet and the platform's adept marketing strategies. Because guys, Tron, we know Tron is out there making a lot of news, right? They're always in the news, and Justin Sun, that CEO, is making more news than anybody. Now, the mainnet factor. The mainnet gives Tron the chance to exploit the advantages its founder listed at making it better than Ethereum. It's these advantages that could drive it towards mass adoption, especially in China at first, guys. Top of what will be near zero fees per transaction. Another one relates to its high scalability. Almost 10,000 transactions per second, so that's pretty big. These will be crucial in the attempts to take over the entertainment industry that's core to Tron's adoption. And let's go down here. Marketing puts Tron on the map. In April, Tron conducted a 30 million airdrop to the Ethereum community. So that was to get the word out there in the Ethereum community, guys, right, and to target those people. What this gesture did was expose TRX to more users, potentially increasing its chances once their mainnet launches. So guys, what I wanted to go over here too is something they're also doing to attract developers to the platform. They have the pool, right? Genesis, the $100,000 Tron TRX loan, dispersed as Tron TX holds firm in the markets. Now, the Tron TRX loan project is part of a bigger Tron project known as Project Genesis. It was launched mid-April and will have a reward pool of $2 billion. With the following programs for the Tron community and developers. Okay guys, so they're going to have a lot of money to bring a lot of projects onto the platform and to attract a lot of developers and some of the best developers, okay? So that's going to be interesting when people are looking as this new money comes in and people are getting interested before. Are they going to be developing on the Ethereum platform? Are they going to be developing on the new Tron platform? This is a very good marketing strategy by Justin Sun and the Tron project. Okay, so that's another good thing. And one thing I want you guys to think about, just to get an idea, we need to talk about this because you guys have some good information here and a lot of people know a lot of stuff about this. If we see this institutional money come in, and we have a lot of money, and the market cap goes up over $1 trillion, right? It's projected to hit the trillions in the next couple of years, with up to even $40 to $60 trillion we could be looking at when all the outside money that's on the sidelines eventually, years down the road, not right now, but years down the road, when that comes in, we could be looking at trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars for market cap. When these projects that are good projects are really working to their full capacity, and we have the the developers using this, like we saw a little bit, we got a little taste of what happened with Ethereum when people came in. Ethereum was really growing at the end of 2017, and people were getting Ethereum so that they could be getting into the different like altcoins and things like that, and more projects were being used on the Ethereum network. We saw a big price increase, right? And I want you to look at these old charts here. Here's one from June 2017. Ethereum was only at about 230 bucks, right? And then about 6 months later, we saw, with all this information, all this news coming out, Ethereum, right January, the beginning of 2018, Ethereum shot up over $1,000. So that was like a huge, huge gain, right, guys? Now, this wasn't the 1000x gains we've seen on some other projects, but it was a taste of when the money's flowing in and the market cap was swelling up to about 800 billion, we saw these coins and these projects really grow, right? Ethereum was up there, Bitcoin was up, hitting even higher later at 20,000. So we're going to see big gains in these projects. You just have to think, where do you think the money's going? Where are the developers going to be building? Ethereum or Tron? I'd love to hear in the comments below, what do you guys think about this? And which project do you think has bigger capability in 2018 and into 2019, 2020? What do you think we should be focused on more, Tron or Ethereum? And if you're a big advertiser and proponent of either one of those, please let me know in the comments below what you think we're going to be thinking of prices in 2018-19. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Keep piling up your crypto. Bye-bye.